In this video, we are going to see different types of memory inside the microcontroller. So, if you see any modern day microcontroller, let's take an example of very popular Arduino based microcontroller board or very advanced Cortex M4 based any microcontroller. If you see the specifications of this microcontroller, there are the different types of memory. If you can see these microcontrollers, you will find three types of memories. The first is flash memory, second is SRAM, and third is EEPROM. Now, some of you might have a question in your mind that which memory used as a program memory and which memory used as a data memory. Let's find out in this video that what is the purpose of all the three memories and which memory is used as program memory and which memory is used as data memory. As I said earlier, the microcontroller has two types of memory. The one is a program memory and second is the data memory. Now, most of the microcontrollers which we see today are based on the Harvard architectures, and in these architectures, the program memory and data memory are separate memories. Now, this program memory has to be a non-volatile kind of memory. The reason is that even if the power goes down or you reset the microcontroller, then the code which is written inside this microcontroller should not get lost, while the data memory can be volatile or non-volatile. Now, if you see today's microcontroller, in today's microcontroller, the flash memory is used as a program memory, while as a data memory, two types of memories are used, SRAM and EEPROM. Now let's find out in this video that why this flash memory is used as program memory and other memories are used as a data memory. First of all, let's see the program memory inside the microcontroller. So now, before see about this flash memory, let's see the evolutions of the program memory inside the microcontroller. In early days, read-only memory or ROM was used as a program memory inside the microcontroller. This read-only memory or ROM is a one-time programmable memory. That means during the time of production itself, these memories are getting programmed. But once it is been programmed, you cannot change the content of this memory. Then see the second type of memory, which is known as a programmable ROM or PROM. This PROM or programmable ROM is also one-time programmable memory, but the user can program this using programmer. But once it has been programmed, you cannot change the content of this PROM. Now, as the technology evolved, the third kind of memory came into the market, which is known as a EEPROM. Now, this EEPROM, as its name suggests, it is erasable and programmable ROM. And we can erase the content of this EEPROM using special UV rays. To erase the content of this EEPROM, the small quartz windows on top of this EEPROM. Using these UV rays, we can erase the content of this programmable ROM and we can rewrite the program again inside the EEPROM. Then after the fourth kind of memory came into the market, which is known as the EEPROM, that is electrically erasable and programmable read-only memory. Unlike EEPROM, we can erase the content of this EEPROM using electrical voltage. Now in this EEPROM, if you see, it is possible to read, write or erase one particular byte or one particular word of data at a time. So after this EEPROM, then came the flash memory. This flash memory is a subset of this EEPROM, that is one type of EEPROM. Now in this case of flash memory, unlike the EEPROM, we can erase the entire block of data at the same time. And in this flash memory, there are two types of memory available, the NAND flash and NOR flash. So in this case of NAND flash, even reading and writing is also performed in block. But in the case of NOR flash, it is possible to read or write one particular word or one particular byte of the data at a time. But the erase operation is performed on the entire block. So this NOR flash is used as a program memory inside this microcontroller. There are many reasons for using this flash memory as a program memory inside the microcontroller. The first reason is its high density. In the case of flash memory, in the same area, we can accommodate more number of memory cells, or to accommodate the same number of memory cells, we require less amount of die area. That is one of the reasons why this flash memory is used as a program memory. The second reason for using this flash memory as program memory is its fast reading time. This flash memory and particularly this NOR flash provides very good read time. Using this flash memory, we can execute our program very fast. The only problem with this flash memory is its endurance or life cycle. A number of write or erase operations which can be performed on this flash memory. Flash memory is quite limited, so we can write or erase this flash memory only 10,000 times. But now as the technology evolved, it is possible to erase or rewrite this flash memory as many as 100k times. But if you see the EEPROM, the life cycle of this EEPROM is in the range of 100k up to 500k. The number of write or erase operations can be performed on the EEPROM is much more. As we have discussed earlier, there are two types of data memory inside the microcontroller, SRAM and EEPROM. So first let's talk about the SRAM. In this static RAM, each memory cell consists of 6 transistors, and out of these 6 transistors, 4 transistors are used to store the data and 2 transistors are used for the control purpose. So we will understand this SRAM in detail in the separate video. The reason for using this static RAM as a data memory is its fast read and write speed. In fact, if you see this static RAM or SRAM, it is fastest among all the available memories. And that is the reason not only in the microcontroller but in computers also this SRAM is used as a cache memory. But this static RAM is volatile kind of memory. That means once the power goes off, all the content inside this SRAM also get lost. And that is where their EEPROM is quite useful, because this EEPROM is non-volatile kind of memory. That means we can store important data inside this EEPROM. If you want to store the data which is coming from the sensor, or if you want to store some status variables, then you can use this EEPROM. This is all about the different types of memory inside the microcontroller. In summary, if you see, there are 3 types of memory inside the microcontroller: flash memory, SRAM and EEPROM. This flash memory is used as program memory, and this SRAM and EEPROM used as data memory inside the microcontroller. So I hope this video you understand about the different types of memory inside the microcontroller.